Okay guys, here we are again, another video. I'm going to do a head shave today with my new Gillette ProGlide Power Razor. Some of you may know, I have another channel on YouTube called Electric Razor Wrap where I shave with electric razors. So considering the Gillette ProGlide Power isn't electric, it's a blade razor, I thought I would do the shave on my Jim Elliott channel. So hopefully this goes well. Hopefully we don't have shaving cream everywhere. There's the razor, the power button, handle vibrates. I'm not sure what the purpose of that is, but we'll try this. I'm actually in the process right now of getting back my Braun electric razor. So until it arrives back, it's been repaired. So until I get it back, I'll be shaving my head with this. This is about 2 days of growth. So let's get started, guys. Actually, yeah, I gotta turn it on, I guess, don't I? There we go. Turn on the vibration. You can hear that vibration or not. Shave against the grain. I've used this once before to shave my head, and for the purposes of this video I may just do one pass. I may not go over it again and again. Taking it off, you can see the hair here in the shaving cream, I think. Hopefully. It doesn't look like it's focusing on it too well. But there it is. It is there. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely rough still. I'd have to go over it multiple times, which I guess I can do. Going over the back of my neck now. It's much easier. It's much easier, of course, to do a more thorough job when you're not standing in front of your phone recording a video. behind the ears. And this thing does do a quick job of shaving your head. I mean, it's you may have to go over in the opposite direction once you go in one direction, but it does make quick work of the hair. So just feel your head as you do it, and just feel for spots that maybe need a little bit of a touch up. Do the back of the neck again. Okay. And we'll stop the video right there. So I'll turn around. You can see the job it did on my head. Very smooth. Yeah, very smooth. Does a quick job. The video time here, 7 minutes, 25 seconds. So it did quite a good job there. And what I like about it as well is I'm always cutting myself with blade razors, which is one of the main reasons I use electric razors, but you can see there's no cuts at all. Let's just turn around. See if you see any cuts there. I don't think you will. Okay, so there you go, the ProGlide Power Razor. If you do want to try it, there'll be an Amazon link in the video description. Remember to subscribe to this channel, my Jim Elliott channel, and also subscribe if you would like to my other channel, Electric Razor app, where I do much the same as I did just now, but with electric razors. So thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.